He heals every shattered heart and binds up their wounds. It's a beautiful verse, but most of us hear it as comfort without understanding the power inside of these words. This is not just emotional language. It's describing a process, a very specific kind of restoration. The heart isn't just emotion. It's the central engine of your very being, where you process who you are, where you came from, and what you carry forward. Broken comes from the word Shavar. It doesn't mean cracked or bruised. It means shattered, broken into pieces, like pottery. A structure that can no longer carry the load it was designed for. Then it says, He heals. Rapha. This is a medical word, meaning to stitch, to mend, to restore function. Not just comfort you, but actually repair what was broken so it can work again. Havash is stabilization. It binds up. It means to wrap, to brace, to secure. Because healing doesn't happen if the wound keeps moving. There has to be stability, so it's not re-injured over and over again. Atsev is a deeper meaning of the word wounds. This isn't just injury. It means toil, labor, the weight of what you've carried, the pain that came from having to keep going through it. So let's put it all together. You were shattered, Shavar. He restores your structure, Rapha. Then he stabilizes you so you can actually heal, Havash. Because you cannot heal if the wound keeps being reopened. God is not just comforting you. He is restoring your structure and protecting it until it is strong enough to carry the load again. This is the power